So, oh, we don't have to make the number line for that part. Good. Okay, the last one is not algebraically. We're just using the calculator to solve it. So, okay, back this way. Okay, find critical points graphically. So, f of x equals x cubed minus 7x squared plus 9x plus 10. Okay, so we need first derivative to equal 0 or undefined. So derivative is 3x squared minus 14x plus 9. I want to know when this equals 0 or when it's undefined. Well, I have no negative exponents here. I have no x in the denominator to get a divide by 0 here, so there's no solution for the undefined. Over here, this is a quadratic equation. It does equal 0 up to 2 times. So I need to solve a quadratic. I'm just going to use quadratic formula here. So I'll go right into my program. A111 quad. A is a 3. B is a negative 14. C is 9. I got 2 zeros when x is about equal to 3.897 and 0.770. Those are rounded off. So now each of these is either a max, a min, or horizontal plateau. I can tell by making the little number line graphs. Let's see, 0.770, 3.897. And I'm going to put in this quadratic. It's always the derivative we're putting in here because we want to know what's happening before and after. So 3x squared minus 14x plus 9. Now, because I rounded these off, when I look at the table, these are not going to say exactly 0 here. So when I go to the table set, and I put in 0.77, where normally when I was putting in those critical points I had zeros, these aren't going to quite come out 0 because I rounded them off. I chopped off a lot of them. But I want to know what's happening before that. So I'll make sure I go plenty before, and those are positives. And after that 0.77, even though that's not a 0 there, I can see there's negatives after. And then I just have to put in my 3.897 and see what's happening after that. Again, because it's rounded off, I'm not getting exactly 0 here, but positives afterwards. So I've got increase, decrease, increase. These were zeros, so I should have put those in there. I've got a max here, and I've got a min here. Okay, as far as second derivative, take the derivative here. That'll give me 6x minus 14 and a 0. I want to know when that equals 0. Or undefined. No solutions here because there's no denominators. Here, 2-step, add 14, divide by 6. Add 14, divide by 6. I have a critical point at 7/3 on this quadratic, and I'll bet it's the max, or let's see, this would be going up, the min, because the quadratic equation opening up. So that's it. Your assignment, I wrote down somewhere. I know those took a while, but let's see, we did 19. So it will be page, I don't even know. Did I write a page number down anywhere? Of course not. Well, let's see. I'll write the problems down first. If you know the page, you can start it off. Otherwise, I got to open the book and look for it. See, I did 19. You've got 20, 21, 22, 24, And you're only going to do part A, which just says find the critical points algebraically. And I want the table like I did in the notes. And the table to identify the critical points, exactly what they are. And then those are algebraically. And then the graphing ones we've got, let's see, 27, 28 to 31. What happened to 26? But that's okay. 28 to 31 using the calculator. And the table again. Just the one table like I did. Okay. That's, the page number. 8-2. Please start on page 364.